Hello, people. This is going to be a very brief video. It's sort of a thought I'm having. I'm planning on starting this Bible study via this YouTube channel, probably on Wednesday. I may post the first comments on the on Wednesday, maybe Thursday, but I'm aiming for Wednesday. But I'm going to try to do first introductory of Bible study, what I'm trying to do, which means it probably won't really get into verses yet or chapters. I'll discuss mostly what I'm planning on doing, how I might do it, recommend some books. I might do some introductory comments about history that surrounds that area of that time. I'm going to have to do some research in the Moabites, the descendants of Lot. That's the idea. I'm not sure how I'm going. I think I know how I'm going to do it, but I'm not sure yet. I might divide the chapters, even the chapters in half, because I want to. Ruth is only 4 chapters long, so I'm going to probably try to make it longer. I'm trying to see, even when I'm doing my other Bible study for my group on Tuesday, or having to divide it, which I may have to do for Ruth. I'm actually enjoying the one I'm doing for Mark. On Mark, my Zoom Bible study, which is kind of fun. I actually like it. I'm beginning to find I like being a teacher. Well, I'm learning to be a teacher. I don't think I'm very good at it. That's because I need notes all the time, and I can't read my own handwriting half the time. It's terrible. But they say I'm doing good. They say they're getting something out of it, so that's really all that matters. But yes. Hopefully on Wednesday, the first video for this Bible study YouTube. I'm going to use some of this book's notes and stuff because I admit I don't really know a whole lot about the history behind it, and I should. This is the author who I told you about, the novel of Ruth. See it? Unfortunately, the light's shining in it. So actually, there's nothing up here. It's blank. I have no idea why it's blank. But apparently my book is blank. But anyway. But yes, I'm going to try to do some research on the Moab, which is where it starts. I got to do some research on the background, the book of Judges. But the first video on this will be introductory stuff. Probably more people who aren't interested in introductory stuff and want to just get into the Bible study. It's still a work in progress, just like my Mark Bible study is a work in progress. Even while I'm doing it, I'm still trying to figure out the format that works for that Bible study, and I'm slowly getting there. I'm actually enjoying it. As much as I protest too much that it's difficult, I'm actually not finding it that difficult. I am finding it difficult to read my own handwriting, but that's just me. But yeah, this ain't gonna be very long. I just want to get something out there that I don't like only doing one YouTube video a week. That just seems like a waste of having a YouTube channel in the first place. But hopefully Wednesday or Thursday will be the first Bible study on Ruth. Introductory comments. I welcome questions, whatever you want me to do. I would like questions. I would like some feedback. That's the answer I'm looking for, feedback. And I am going to keep this short. I just wanted to post something just so people know I'm still out there, still doing this. And yes, that's why I see my shirt. I mix stuff up. See? Make stuff up. I love my shirt. It's my favorite t-shirt. Well, next to my History Matters shirt. This is my favorite t-shirt. And then there's my dinosaur shirt. Okay, fine. I have 3 different shirts that are my favorites. Get over it. But yeah, that's the plan. This book got here yesterday. And the problem is I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to do. I know I'm rambling, but I'm trying to get my thoughts out. At the same time, I'm trying to actually talking to myself in this video, trying to figure out what I'm trying to do, what I'm not trying to do. I don't want to bore my audience. If I'm going to teach the Bible, I want to at least be teaching it properly so people learn something. And I do plan on teaching history subjects. I just have to figure out what I'm going to do. Probably the American Revolution. Probably April 12th, which would be the start of the Civil War, and April 19th, which would be the start of the American Revolution. So I'll probably do maybe a back and forth on that. But I like history. And I want this YouTube channel to be worth watching and not me just stumbling and bumbling along. But I actually kind of like it. I'm enjoying this. I'm getting more comfortable doing it, and I'm getting less, I think, self-conscious that I'm doing it. I think. On some days, I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm just rambling. I'm trying to get my thoughts straight, and I figured if I said them out loud while doing a YouTube video, just to keep the YouTube video thing going, it might help me understand what I'm trying to do. But on Wednesday, at the most, I'll just do an introductory of what I'm about, the background, some aspects of it, and it'll be as long as this one, the first one. The introduction won't be more than 10 minutes, because then the next one after that will be the actual Bible study. I have thought about doing. Well, I'll do that later. I'll do that on either tomorrow or Wednesday too. I've got a whole bunch of books last few days that I ordered, and I'll do the book review at some other point this week. That's where these 2 books came from. But I'm gonna post this. It's just me thinking out loud. That's why I did this video. All right, people, behave yourselves, because you know I won't.